wait to make my true colours shine. Oh, wow.
Oh, my goodness. Stella, this looks...
different? Kind of cool? Maybe? Tonight, I'm going camping.
Huh? Oh, dear. But, darling, you hate bugs, remember? All bugs.
Oh, darling, you're scared of the dark, remember?
Okay. How long will she stay in the tent? I'll give her 10 minutes.
No way. I say 5 max. It's a sleeping bag. Stella, the fussiest sleeper in the world.
Odds currently lowest at exactly 7.5 minutes in the tent. Anyone else for a bet? Betting? Ugh, how vulgar. 6 minutes.
Where's the rest of the tent?
What do you mean? That's it. Is there something wrong?
No, not at all. Just checking we've got everything we need.
Are you all right? Are you sure you know what you're doing?
No problem at all. I've got this. You just have to make sure you do a thorough examination of all the equipment before you set out into the wilderness.
Wilderness? What? Excuse me. This is a nice neighbourhood and we'd like to keep it that way. No racketeering in the garden at night, if you please. A princess in a tent? Ah, she won't last long.
I thought camping was supposed to be relaxing.
To keep wild animals out, you know?
And these?
Nah, we don't need them. Only for beginners. Okay then, time for a bit of stargazing. Never can you see so many stars as when camping. You'll be amazed. Okay then. That was great. Now time to hit the sap.
What?
For the evening tea? Sleeping in a tent. I never sleep as soundly as I do camping.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Don't let the bedbugs bite. Huh? Don't worry, I've got this. Everything is okay.
My eyes! What are you doing?
Snowy, what are you doing here? You scared me to death.
Well, that was easy. Not. What's with the door? Just checking in. It's been several minutes already and I've got money riding on this. Are you coming in soon?
No! Get out! I like sleeping in a tent.
Okay.
It's just rain. So cozy to be in a tent when it rains, don't you think? I guess now I know what the leftover parts were for.
Not when we keep the plates. Whoa!
One more coming up.
Metal in the microwave.
Me arm. Don't worry about the show, Leo. You just get that arm fixed.
The school talent show is tomorrow. Mikey's band is going to play. It's Mikey's moment of glory. But that's his guitarist.
There's no way I can find a guitarist before tomorrow. We're not going to be able to play.
Aww. Wait,
Huh?
I'll do it. I'll play.
Really? Yeah!
Aye.
Stella, you're a star. Practice today, after school.
But Stella, I didn't know you played the guitar. How come you never told us that?
Well, define play. I mean, maybe. Ugh. Okay then, I admit. I've never played the guitar, but it just came out, and I was gonna take it back. But then Mikey looked so happy. Besides, I've played the harp all my life. Guitar has way less strings. How difficult can it be? Hi guys. Hello.
Woohoo! You're here!
Woohoo.
Okay, no time to waste. Wait, where's your guitar?
I forgot it. I mean, it's being fixed. My previous gig got a bit intense.
Cool. Okay, you can use Leo's, but take it easy. You alright there?
Yeah, no worries. I'm cool.
Okay then. Let's rock and roll.
Just play like this.
Okay.
Stella, feel free to join in whenever you're ready.
Mm-hmm.
Stella,
I just need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
just be quick. My dad's picking me up at 4.
Oh.
Okay, let's try again.
I think my phone's ringing.
I can't hear anything.
No, wait. I'm sure it was ringing. I better check, just in case. Where did I put it? It's in here somewhere. Dad? No, I can't talk now. I'm playing with my band. Yeah, gotta go, Dad. Bye. Ouch!
What now?
Ow! I think I just got stung by a bee.
A bee? It's December.
I know. Crazy, yeah? Maybe it was a Christmas bee, you know? 'Cause you should be merry.
Let Stella start with the intro.
Good idea.
Uh-huh.
Stage is yours.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Excuse me. Duty calls, Mikey. Time to go.
See you guys.
Hey, the gig is tomorrow.
The first act is Mikey and the dudes. So please give them a big, big round of applause. Mikey and the dudes.
Don't worry, she'll be here. Whoa, you're here. Come on, hurry, we're on. Wait, where's your guitar?
Oh. Out with a bang then. flour as the weight of the eggs? Ah. Huh? Aha! And as much flour as the weight of the eggs. Oh!
Princess Justice gets overexcited.
Oh.
Mix a pound of dried flour, the same of sifted sugar, and of washed clean currants.
Uh-oh.
Wash a pound of butter in rose water.
I didn't get rose water.
Maybe we can leave it out.
Or improvise.
Then mix with it 8 eggs. I couldn't find that many tins and cups, but this will do, I'm sure. Now we put the batter in.
I can do that.
Only half filling them.
Oops.
Add 3 chops of well-dried wood to the stove.
What does that mean?
It's when you ensure the temperature is just right. Nothing worse than an undercooked gâteau de Madeleine.
How are Queen Cat and Princess Stella?
They're, baking.
They can't bake.
Oh. Huh?
Oh,
What on earth is going on here?
We are baking for Stella's school fair.
Baking? Huh. You've never baked in your life.
I can bake. I am perfectly capable, I'll have you know.
I'll have you know it's high time you returned to respectable life in the palace.
Mother, I think there's something wrong with the cake. Uh-oh. Stella!
There you go, typical.
I knew we couldn't do it.
Attitude, Stella, attitude. It's probably just the surface that's... Oh.
All other families can bake. Why can't I have a normal mum who's not been born with a golden spoon in her mouth?
Ugh, what is that stinky smell?
Oh no, you didn't use that old heirloom, did you?
We tried to make gâteau de Madeleine.